It is Christmas night, and snow falls very softly.
The house looks warm and safe inside.
Our home feels warm on Christmas night.
It is night now, and everything feels calm.
I like Christmas night very much. Night, night, night.
The day is almost over now.
Let us have dinner together now.
Thank you for the nice dinner and for the nice day off.
I like this dinner very much. Yes, Leo, let us eat together.
Dinner feels nice after a long day.
I love eating with my family. This food tastes very good. Good.
The evening is very peaceful now.
Look at Snowy sleeping.
Oh, you look so comfortable. People, yeah.
Shadow is tired after today.
Sleep, sleep.
This is a calm family moment.
Hey, yeah. Today is a very good day. Yes, family is together. I am happy to be here.
Hey! Oh! Me too, this feels special.
Let us read a story now. Lights. I like listening to stories.
Story and
This is a Christmas story.
Listen and relax, everyone. The story is calm and warm. I like this story very much. Sleepy.
This is a peaceful night.
The story is finished now.
That story felt very nice.
Snow is still falling outside.
Yes,
The snow is very quiet.
Christmas feels peaceful tonight.
Snow White and
I am thankful I am thankful for today.
Me too. I feel happy. Hi. I love this night.
Love, Mommy. The night feels calm and very peaceful now.
It is getting late for everyone now.
I feel sleepy but happy. Sleepy.
Yes, Leo, it is almost bedtime.
Let us get ready for bed now.
Please walk slowly and carefully.
I like my room at night. Bed.
Put on your pajamas now, please.
Pajamas feel warm and nice.
Let me help you, Leo.
Sit. Stay warm and comfortable.
Today was a very good day.
Good day. Are you ready for bed, Sophie? Yes, I am ready.
Sleep well and rest. Now.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. Did you enjoy Christmas to rest today? Yes, I enjoyed every moment.
That makes us very happy. No.
Close your eyes and relax.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Sophie. Sleep well.
Leo is already asleep now.
He had a long, happy day.
The house feels quiet now.
I like quiet nights like this.
the children are sleeping well.
Yes, they are very calm now.
Today was a beautiful day. I will remember this night.
Family time is very special.
Into that. I feel thankful for everyone.
Me too, my heart feels full.
The snow is still falling. Falling.
It looks very peaceful outside.
Christmas night feels calm and safe.
Nights like this are precious.
Yes, we should remember this character in image 1, Shadow.
Thank you for this evening.
The lights are still beautiful.
Soft lights help us relax.
This day is ending gently.
I feel peaceful and happy.
The children are sleeping well.
That makes me very happy. Snowy wants to sleep too.
Shadow is resting now.
Everyone is calm tonight.
Christmas night is almost over.
But the memories will stay.
Betheten. Yes, memories stay in our hearts.
This Christmas night feels very warm and special.
I love this peaceful Christmas moment.
Christmas makes my heart feel happy.
Love, family.
Christmas is about love and family.
And sharing time with people we love.
I like being together like this. Happy.
Snow makes this goodbye feel calm.
Christmas night is quiet and beautiful.
This Christmas is ending now.
We say goodbye to this Christmas. Goodbye, Christmas. Bye-bye, Christmas.
We will see Christmas again next year.
Yes, next year we will meet again. Next Christmas will be fun too. Next year in
Thank you, Christmas, for happy memories.
Thank you for watching our Christmas story. We hope you enjoyed learning English with us.
Please share this story with everyone you know.
Share our story with your family. Share. Please support our channel, Laura Daily English.
Your support helps us make more stories.
Please wait and join us next Christmas. See you next Christmas. See you go. See you.
Merry Christmas and see you next year.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.